Nope, I did not get... I didn't get any notification that it's going to be charged. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Look at Hystrix. Hystrix command, circuit breaker. Yeah, it's a circuit breaker. Go with this. Stopping the cascading effect of failures. Very good. Okay, simple example. Hystrix, yeah. Fault tolerancy, latency, isolate wrap calls to remote services. Yeah, we wrap the run command. Yeah, okay, and then we execute the call as following. Yeah, I guess the executes remote service. Yeah, sample client calls executed using the execute method. How it's done. Yeah, wrap remote calls. Let's look at how to deal when the remote service starts to deteriorate. Okay, defensive programming with timeout. Okay, set timeouts for remote calls by short circuiting. So in the above test, delaying the service response, we're setting the execution timeout to 10,000 milliseconds, sufficient time to respond when the execution timeout is less than the service timeout for. Yep, 5,000 milliseconds, expect it to return, we'll set the service to response after 15, execute the test after X is 5 milliseconds. Yep, throw a Hystrix runtime exception. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, short circuit breaker pattern. Improvement we can make to remote service calls. The remote service has started failing. We don't want to keep firing off requests. Ideally, we want to stop making requests for a certain amount of time. Short circuit breaker pattern. Okay. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Okay, just automatically fails other incoming. Let's have a look. So health check, fallback, examples, promise, callback, slave circuits. Okay, let's have a look. Health check. Okay. Create a master circuit, slave circuits. All slave circuits tripped at the same time when the overall health of all the slave circuits. Oh, I see. Thank you. Okay, so this should not be created in here. This needs, because that's going to be created every time we call the route. That needs to be created here, so that all the instances of the route share that one circuit, so it'll trip them. That's the problem. That was the problem. Okay, now it makes sense. The first one to fail, after that, the rest of them won't fail. Sorry, the rest of them will fail, but they won't actually make the call. Okay, so this one here, what are we going to say? What would we set the status to? See, the first time it fails, it's because it's taken a long time, but it did actually happen. For later events, it didn't actually happen. So the semantics of the failure should be different, because one of them should be retried and one of them should not. No idempotency. Okay, we can some configuration options here. Here we go. Percentiles. Wow. Okay. I must be able to get back then if it's actually like a circuit is open or not. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drop off. I'm going to eat this burrito that's just arrived. And I'm going to see if I can bond together my phone and the Wi-Fi so that I can get like a single network connection, which is a much higher performance.